Good morning. Today I'm at Tinturn Abbey for a bit of a cheeky little winter hike, winter jaunt. Yeah, I figured I wanted to do a bit of a mini adventure just to get out and enjoy the cool weather. And I haven't been here before, so I decided to give it a shot. So I think I'm going to go and over the river and up towards this little viewpoint up here and do a loop back around. Yeah, it's not bad, it's nice sunny weather. Yeah, should be fun. I've got a new gear set up, so I've been using the GoPro for ages. Recently I'm recording on the DJI Action 5 and been using the DJI Mini 4 Pro quite a bit for drone shots, which has been very handy in places like Italy. And then I've also picked up the DJI Mic 2. So yeah, it's a bit of a different setup. I think there's some things which GoPro does better and there's some things which DJI does better. So it's been a case of figuring those out a little bit, but definitely for the hiking and adventure videos, definitely the DJI has been outperforming the GoPro. But then I've found with the bodyboarding stuff, generally the GoPro is a bit simpler and the FOV is better. So I'll still be using the GoPro a bit, but kind of alternating between the DJI and this one. So I would be using the audio on the Mic 2 today, but annoyingly there's a firmware update which I can't actually connect, so I gotta see what the in-camera audio is like on this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna cross over the bridge. Yeah, so I think we're going somewhere up there. Sweet. Right, so the first crossroads, I believe it goes up there. I think there's another longer route you can walk around. It goes all around the river. Anyway, pluses of the DJI Action. I think I found the colours are nice, decent D-log. Yeah, quite a cool tree. Yeah, kind of as a hybrid vlogging action cam, it's pretty decent. So yeah, I think I'll be using this one for snowboarding in a week or so. Good. Devil's Pulpit. I guess we'll come back down here and then walk around this bit and come back around this loop maybe. It's good. I mean, it's got a whole bunch of features. It's got a lot of subject tracking and a bunch of other things. And it's a lot cheaper on the GoPro. Like the one thing that is a bit of a shame, as soon as you bump it up to 120, your FOV goes way down if you're trying to get as wide a shot as possible. It's not always easy to get a decent picture. T-junction. This way. It's rather muddy. This way. and tell Pulpit this way. It's got a creepy looking tree. Good. Yes. The devil himself preached from the pulpit. Oh, what's this? Here it is. The devil's pulpit, eh? These three came from down there. See if we can go through the Brockway. I think it's that place around here potentially. Keep on walking, really. Keep on walking. It's actually not too far. We're making decent progress. Nice and quiet. Not too many people around. Police helicopter, eh? There he goes. That'd be quite a fun job. Public footpath restricted byway. Going this way. So we are in the town of something. We're in Brockway. Right, let's cross this bridge. bend. There's the bridge. So we still have crossing there. Kind of back then. Crazy. Figured while I'm here, may as well take a one-day round, have a look. Cool old buildings, I suppose. Yeah. I mean, not sure that's worth $8.50, but you know. Anyway, that's been this little adventure. That's the gear I'm using, so that's the Action 5, the Mini Pro 4, and the Mic 2.